Getting undermined at work? That might already be harassment. Getting constantly undermined, mocked, or set up to fail at work. Does that legally count as harassment? A lot of people put up with this for years without realizing they could have filed a complaint long ago. First, CNESST is Quebec's labor standards and workplace health and safety regulator. Psychological harassment complaints go through them. The legal definition is specific: repeated hostile or unwanted conduct that harms your dignity and creates a toxic work environment. That's psychological harassment. It doesn't have to happen every day. One serious incident with lasting harm counts too. But one rough performance review, or getting corrected once for a mistake, usually doesn't meet the bar. Second, if you're actually filing, evidence matters. From the first time something feels off, start keeping a dated log of incidents, related emails, texts, recordings, screenshots, witness names, and medical or counseling records if you sought care. The more specific and consistent your record, the stronger your complaint. Third, the single most important thing. You must file with CNESST within 2 years of the last incident. This is a strict cutoff. Miss it, and your complaint won't even be accepted. Don't wait. The sooner you act, the fresher the evidence. Fourth, the good news. Filing with CNESST is free, and so is mediation. If an investigator finds your complaint has merit, CNESST even provides you a free lawyer for the tribunal hearing. But set realistic expectations. Per Radio Canada's December 2025 reporting, CNEST's average processing time for these complaints climbed from 53.6 days in 2023 to 95 days in 2025, a 77% jump, and the TAT hearing backlog adds further delay. This is a process that takes patience, not days. Fifth, before you take any formal step, filing a complaint, confronting your employer, even resigning, it's strongly worth consulting a licensed lawyer first to assess whether your evidence is strong enough and which path actually fits your situation, so you don't waste time or miss the 2-year window on the wrong process. Sixth, straight talk. Filing doesn't guarantee winning. Of the 7,254 complaints CNESST closed in 2025, only 13.3% ended in a settlement, and just 13 got a formal favorable ruling. Here's a real case where the employer won. Chaperon versus Montréal Auto Prix Inc. 2021 QCTAT 4355. The tribunal found the 2019 incident did constitute psychological harassment, but still dismissed the complaint because the employer had investigated the same day, met with the co-worker involved, issued a warning, secured an apology, and the harassment actually stopped. The tribunal said its job was only to assess whether the employer acted promptly and reasonably, not whether the discipline was harsh enough. Lesson: if an employer responds properly and fast, a complaint can still fail. Not sure if your situation qualifies? Check out the full guide on our page first, and if you need more, reach out to SiLaw Me Ningsi Mei for a consultation. Head to SiLaw to learn more. This video is general legal information only, not legal advice. If you're a local Quebec business owner and want a video like this made to promote your business or website, digital marketing, short-form video content, that's what Motion 6 does. DM me for details.